Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
A Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock designed to be real keyless. With features like fingerprint identification, it is an excellent solution for everyone. Forget about calling the locksmith or replacing keys. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. ULTRALOQ UL3BT 2nd generation has Bluetooth connectivity that will allow you to pair it with your smartphone running iOS or Android. This way you'll be able to unlock your door using the smartphone app. With the app and ULTRALOQ Bridge, you'll have even more possibilities. If you have an Airbnb, you can share temporary e-keys and set codes for specific dates and times. Manage users and check the log record of who has entered from anywhere you are. And one more option to unlock it is with your Apple Watch for keyless access. ULTRALOQ UL3BT 2nd generation has an auto lock function, so your security can never be forgotten. The touchscreen display and the app will guide you through the process of managing users, as well as setting passage or lockout mode. With passage mode, the lock will remain open for free access. With lockout mode, your lock can only be operated manually by the mechanical key. In case the batteries die, just use the backup keys to open it as any other lock. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. Bridge and IFTTT integration syncs your ULTRALOQ with the rest of your smart home, and you can use voice commands with your smart speaker. ULTRALOQ UL3BT 2nd generation, a smart lever lock with amazing capabilities, ready to work with your door.
Our door lock. It is the result of a collective obsession to simplify your home security. A hypersensitive fingerprint reader lets you use your finger as your own unique key and unlocks instantaneously. You can also configure this to work for your entire family. This also has a built-in RFID sensor that can be configured to an unlimited number of users and cards. These can also be deactivated at your will. A backlit keypad on the lock lets you set individual passcodes if you wish for additional convenience. And of course, the combinations are virtually limitless. Control through the Hogar mobile app lets you unlock your front door from anywhere on the planet. And as a backup, you can always unlock it through the good old-fashioned key. Yes, there's more. Now monitor your home through real-time access notifications on your app. Got guests coming over for the weekend? We got you covered. Assign temporary passcodes to your guests or the delivery guys, and it works in perfect sync with your smart home. A keyless deadbolt makes it completely secure and tamper-proof. Its robust design makes it fireproof, shockproof, and immune to hacks. In short, the Hogar Smart Door Lock is the most secure lock you will find, and our unmatched warranty and service gives you that added peace of mind. The Hogar Smart Door Lock. Smart, simple, secure.
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
Unlocked doors are an intruder's best friend. Our smart locks ensure your doors are secured, even if you forgot to lock them. Smart locks activate anytime your system is armed, or you can put them on a customizable timer. Either way, your home is safer and more secure. You can lock and unlock doors with the PIN pad or use the app and do it right from your phone. That way you can let in friends, guests, or even contractors from anywhere, even if you're not home.
SimpliSafe on.
Flexibility. The ULTRALOQ Lever 4-in-1 Smart Lock has features like advanced fingerprint identification, phoneless options for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like unlocking via smartphone or Apple Watch, an anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers, and auto lock, so your security can never be forgotten. The ULTRALOQ Lever is a modern, advanced smart lock for homes, offices, or Airbnbs. Give visitors like Airbnb guests, cleaners, or dog walkers temporary access codes, or secure individual rooms containing sensitive items. Set your ULTRALOQ Lever to passage mode when you need it to stay unlocked, and with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications with the lever is unlocked. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family, and the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. An easy installation and voice assist during programming make advanced security simple. Bridge IFTTT integration syncs your ULTRALOQ Lever with the rest of your smart home, and use voice commands with your Alexa or Google Home. With the ULTRALOQ Lever, you will never get locked out. Just use the backup keys or external battery if you miss the alerts. ULTRALOQ Lever, the ultimate 4-in-1 smart lock.